M4 Sherman, the workhorse. This machine was not merely a weapon of war, it was the primary instrument of Allied liberation. While history often fixates on the heavy panzers of the Axis, the Sherman secured its legend through a different virtue: availability. Conceived by the U.S. Ordnance Department to replace the aging M3 Lee, it was designed with a singular, ruthless focus: mass production. The goal was never to build the most exotic machine on the field. It was to build a tank that could arrive in thousands, operate in any climate, and keep moving when all others failed. The industrial synthesis. To achieve this, the Sherman's construction was a marvel of industrial integration. Designers utilized a sophisticated marriage of cast steel for the turret and upper hull and welded, rolled armor plating. This modular philosophy allowed automotive, locomotive, and heavy machinery plants across the United States to pivot to tank production. By decentralizing the manufacturing, the Allies created a logistical juggernaut that the Axis powers, with their bespoke and overly complex designs, simply could not replicate. Mechanical heart. Beneath the engine deck, the Sherman was a chameleon of engineering. Because the global supply chain was so tenuous, the tank was designed to accommodate various power plants. From the iconic Ford GAA V8, which pushed 500 horsepower, to robust radial aircraft engines and complex multibank configurations, the Sherman was built to be powered by whatever was available. This mechanical adaptability ensured that Allied armored columns rarely stalled for lack of a specific part. The traction of victory. It traveled on rugged heavy-duty tracks, frequently upgraded with rubber-back steel chevron grousers. These were the literal feet of the tank. This specific architecture was vital, providing the essential traction to navigate the deep, suffocating quagmires of a European front and the abrasive, shifting sands of North Africa. More importantly, this design dampened the violent mechanical vibrations that would have otherwise compromised the structural integrity of the vehicle during the grueling, high-tempo strategic maneuvers that defined the Allied advance. The firepower and the crew. Its lethality was defined by the 75mm medium-velocity cannon, a versatile tool for infantry suppression and standard engagement. As the conflict matured, the integration of the high-velocity 76mm M1 gun expanded the Sherman's reach, allowing it to contest the thickest panzer armor. Inside, 5 men lived in a high-pressure, claustrophobic crucible. The driver navigated the chaos of the front line, the commander directed the tactical vision from the turret, and the loader performed the brutal, rhythmic labor of feeding massive ordnance into the breach. Together, they functioned as a single seamless organism, prioritizing operational resilience above all else. The final legacy. The legacy of the M4 is a testament to the power of ubiquity. With over 50,000 units produced, it facilitated a relentless, unstoppable spearhead. By prioritizing interchangeable components that permitted field-expedient maintenance, the Sherman remained the indispensable workhorse of liberation. It serves as an immutable lesson. In the gargantuan, unforgiving crucible of total war, it is not the most exotic machine that decides the fate of nations. It is the one that stays in the fight, sustains its momentum, and outlasts the enemy's capacity to resist. The M4 Sherman did not just win battles, it won the war. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more content.